Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create brand names using AI. So if I go to ChatGPT now, here I can ask anything. I'm just going to create a few brand names for, can I even type? Hello? Stop. My company. So you're going to explain your company in like super detail, but obviously I don't have one, but I will maybe in the future, I don't know, but you're just going to describe. So my company is sells maybe. Sells what? Sells weird flavors of lip gloss, such as pickles. I don't know. This is just on the top of my head. Pickles, roast chicken, and let's do like sushi. That'd be awful. Just saying, but my company sells for. Actually, I don't know what else to type. You're just going to type a lot more, okay, by your company. This is all I have. You're just going to click enter. And this is, well, ChatGPT will select basically the brand names. And then you can add more stuff to it if you'd like to and change more stuff and adjust more stuff to it. You can also type in like maybe give me brand names that have not been used yet. So it's going to search the web. Ooh, gastronomic gloss. I actually kind of like that. I don't know. This is good, and you can like trademark it or whatever. But here it says like domain and trademark check, and etc. etc. I really like this. Just saying. There's going to also be a quick recap. Man, gastronomic gloss. That was such a slay. Anyways, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.